In a market full of mini drones, the DJI Mini 3 Pro sets the gold standards for what a mini drone should be. With a sleek design, easy to transport, powerful performance, and easy-to-use features, the DJI Mini 3 is the perfect drone for anyone looking to get started in the world of drones. Whether you are a social media content creator or just want to get some great shots and videos of your surroundings, the DJI Mini 3 Pro is the perfect drone for you. The 249 grams of weight make this drone the smallest and lightest the company has ever made. But don't let its size fool you. This little drone is packed with features and is capable of capturing some amazing aerial footage. Let's take a closer look at what the DJI Mini 3 Pro has to offer. Before we begin, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated new videos. Without further ado, let's begin. Featuring a lightweight, ultra-slim design and a solid 4K video quality, the DJI Mini 3 Pro packs a lot to offer. It features master shots, focus track, hyperlapse, and digital zoom, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality drone. With its wide-angle, 180 degrees, vertical, and sphere panorama shots, you can really capture the vastness of any landscape. Also, the trend of vertical video on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. You don't have to worry about cropping your horizontal videos anymore. With the touch of a button, the camera will flip, and you can start shooting in vertical mode. Also, the gimbal stabilization is just an added bonus that will make your videos even smoother. One of the best things about the Mini 3 is that it's very easy to fly. The drone has an intuitive flight control system that makes it easy to control, even for first-time pilots. If you're a beginner, you can start in beginner mode, which limits the drone's speed and altitude. As you become more comfortable flying, you can switch to sport mode, which unlocks the drone's full potential, and that makes it easy to get the perfect shot, whether you're taking photos or videos. The drone also features HDR video and quad-layer coding for great video and photos. It has advanced pilot assistance systems, APAS 4.0, for obstacle avoidance and focus track for keeping the drone in focus while recording video. The drone is also FCC compliant and comes with a microSD card. Thanks to its 4K resolution and 48 megapixel still images, the Mini 3 Pro provides plenty of clarity and detail. Its colors are also pleasing and true to life. In addition, the drone is equipped with additional sensors that help it avoid obstacles and automatically follow you. It folds up into a tiny package that is about the size of a smartphone, making it very easy to transport. The drone is made of high-quality materials, and it shows. Everything from the propellers to the body feels very solid and well-built. Weighing in at a mere 249 grams, this tiny powerhouse can stay in the air for up to 34 minutes on a single charge. Plus, it supports high-speed microSD cards up to 512 gigabytes, so you can capture all the beautiful aerial footage your TikTok fans can handle. With just a tap, you can switch from landscape to portrait. You don't have to compromise on image quality, because the camera gimbal rotates 90 degrees. With true vertical shooting, you can capture detailed photos that are ready for social media sharing immediately. One of the best things about the DJI Mini 3 Pro is how easy it is to use, even for those who are new to flying drones. The drone comes with an intuitive controller that makes it easy to control, even if you've never flown a drone before. The drone also has various flight modes that you can switch between, depending on your skill level. The DJI RC N1 and new DJI RC controllers offer a great flying and responsive control experience with a max video bitrate of 18 maps and an ultra-low latency of 120 milliseconds. If you already have a controller from a previous generation, you can use it with the Mini 3 Pro. Or if you don't want to use a controller, you can get the new controller with a screen built in. This is a great feature for those who don't want to have to attach their phone to the controller. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is priced at $669 without remote, $759 with RC N1 remote, and $909 with RC Pro remote, which is on the higher end for mini drones. However, given its features and performance, we think the price is justified. Best of all, the Mini 3 Pro falls below the minimum requirements for licensing and registration in many areas, so you can enjoy hassle-free flying. Just make sure you check the local laws before taking to the skies. The Mini 3 Pro is a great mini drone that sets the gold standards for its category. It's packed with features, yet is still very easy to use, even for beginners, that make it stand out from the rest. If you're looking for a mini drone that can capture amazing footage, the DJI Mini 3 Pro is definitely worth checking out. Make sure to leave your thoughts in the comments below. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.